Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we were talking about 3 steps that were needed in order to create a design. In today's video, we are going to be talking about what is a design, what types of design there are, and how this design can add value to our set. Si te gustaría ver este mismo video pero en versión en español, puedes revisar el canal de mi amiga Adriana que va a estar acá arribita. My name is Monica. I am one of the English version instructors and also founder of Nana and Mona, and I hope you enjoy this video. What is a design? Well, I know that you've been hearing this a lot, especially in our videos, design this, design that, the design of the eye, the design of the blueprint, the design of the mapping, the design, The design is the blueprints that we are going to be creating on top of our natural lashes when we are looking to modify the curvature, the length, the thickness, and the curl of our natural lashes. This is going to be done through eyelash extensions. A design can be done in 2 ways. By layers or by length. Our natural lashes, although we may not notice, is conformed by a couple of layers. This can be up to 3 layers of lashes. The center can have 1 to 2 layers of lashes, and the inner and outer corner can also have 1 to 2 layers of lashes. Throughout this video, we're going to be hearing the words design by length or design by layers. Just make sure to not get confused with both of them. A design by length is putting the same exact size or length of extensions in the layers of each and every boxes, which I'm going to leave a visual somewhere up here so that you can understand it better. On the other hand, when working with a design by layers, the length is going to vary depending on the lower layer, middle layer, or the upper layer of lashes. If we're working with a 10mm in the lower layer, you might either go up or down depending on your preference and the look you're trying to give. So you could go either 10, 9, 8 or 10, 11, 12 from lower, middle to upper layer of lash. Within the layer design, we can find the basic line design or the perfect line design. So what is the use of having a design, or why even bother to do a design for a person? Well, a design can help us do 2 things. It can help us correct any imperfections that our guest has, or it can help us accentuate any quality that we're trying to bring out or make even more noticeable. The corrections that can be made on the eye can either be lengthening the eyes or making them rounder. To accentuate, we are going to find the point that we want to elongate, and we are going to place the longest eyelashes there so that it can bring it out even more. Do you guys remember how to get this design? We've been talking about this in the previous videos, which if you haven't seen, you can go ahead and check in the links down below. But in order for us to have these designs, we need to follow these steps. Finding the characteristics of the type of eye your guest has, finding which direction your guest's eyes are going, and also finding what type of eye your guest has. Once we have that, we have to determine whether we're looking to correct or accentuate. Once you have all of this determined, then you can go ahead and move on to building your design. With these steps, you'll start to notice how the set starts to customize based on your guest's eye. When we have chosen our design, again, we're going to find that we have 2 subcategories, the basic design and the more advanced design. For the basic designs, we are going to be covering what we usually hear all over the place, which is the doll eye, the fox eye, or the cat or feline eyes. For the advanced designs, we will note that we are going to be adding to it with, let's say, the real feline eyes, the soft feline eyes, or squirrel, the open eye, the natural eye, the doll eye, and there are many other more, but these are going to be subject of a masterclass. It is understandable that these designs, either basic or advanced, can be done either by the layer design or the length design. One thing that we've been emphasizing here at Nana and Mona, and we're going to continue to emphasize, is always making sure that you are looking out for the health of your guest's natural lash. When we're doing inner and outer corners, always remember that the sizes should be from either 5mm to 9 millimeters so that we don't go too heavy on them and harm them. If you are a lash tech that does not have a lot of experience, which if you keep practicing, you will eventually get to having a lot of experience. But if you don't, you want to make sure that you use a minimum of 3 blocks or sizes when you're doing your design. If you are an experienced lash tech, you could go all the way up to 6 to 7 blocks or lengths. Be creative. Just remember that whatever blocks you're going for, don't go over the line that goes from the nose to the tail of the eyebrow. Once you have created your design, you can add value to this by either mixing curvatures, by adding more length, or by also adding color. But this is something that we're also going to be showing in a future masterclass. As a conclusion, it is important to have these designs in our business because not only will it increase your monetary value by you having a more variety of designs personalized for your guest, but it can also be beneficial for your guests because if they feel that the set is custom made for their eye, most likely they're going to come back because of that specialized service. We all want to climb up that technician status where everyone's like, oh yeah, go with her, she's good. So that's why we always want to be up to date with all this information and make sure that we're incorporating this in our business. Remember guys that we are here every single Wednesday at 7 p.m. It was a great pleasure being with you guys today. If you guys are watching us through YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and let us know in the comment below what you think. If you're watching us through Facebook, make sure to hit on those 3 little buttons, click follow, and activate your notifications so that you never miss out when we post another video. It was a pleasure being with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!